Hey everyone, I'm here at Norris Road. It's getting really exciting now. They're building the road. You can see, remember from before there was just a big hole. I just want to show you this. So what they do, because this is really soft clay type dirt, and every time it gets wet it sort of, they call it heaving, squashes down one and then comes up in another spot. That's the characteristic of clay. Because of that, rather than going down, down and down to get to the point where we get to the hard stuff, what they do to be cost effective, put this rock mattress. Underneath this rock mattress they put the Geo-Fabric, they put the rock on top, and then on the sides they put like ag pipe. This rock, it becomes like a drain, and then that Geo-Fabric gets wrapped over the top. So this thing is fully encased in the Geo-Fabric. This fabric is a bit like a filter to stop all the dirt getting into this rock. Anything that seeps through the road from the sides, because nothing will seep on the top where the asphalt is, anything that seeps through the sides will go into this, and then it'll go down into these ag pipes which you can't see, and it goes into the stormwater system, into the gullies. Yeah, the gullies are those, you'll see them in the gutters, they'll have like a hole on the side of the gutter where all the water runs in. And then on top of this, after they put the Geo-Fabric on top, they'll put road base. And then they put asphalt. In between they'll have the curbs. They'll put the curbs in. So yeah, that's it. So at the moment they're bringing in the trucks to fill up. There's not much left, there's only a little bit. The good part about this is that if it does rain now, they've got access to site. All this gets wet, it'll be dry as a bone the minute after, because it just seeps right through. And although the pads are nearly level, up to spec now, once this road's in, they can just shim over the top of it and flatten it all out. All the water valves are in and the water meters are in. They've actually connected the site to the water mains at the front here. It's where the water connected there to the main system over there. And that's it really. They've got all the retaining walls in. We've just got to get this road built and away we go. I'll talk to you later.